So did you guys have fun this week?
Yeah.
Steve? Great time. Great time?
Yeah, it's
Crowd. Everybody's having fun here. Our last night at March Moto Madness. Saturday morning, we haven't even done any vlogging. Gentlemen, how are we doing today? Ready to roll? Getting there? We got everybody here. It's Saturday. Tom, how are we doing?
doing great.
Sir?
Doing good.
So, are you ready to take your KTM out? Tear it up?
We'll be shortly.
Shortly.
Yep.
It says shortly.
Shortly.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Let's do this.
Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Beautiful. That's what I'd like to see. Tom's ready. Woohoo! Hey, Tim, you need me to come back? I cannot see you guys from... So we got a Dan down and I have no video. Everybody okay here? Tim, you all right still down there? Okay. Down. You good? Oh boy, she's rough here, boys. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. You make that turn, you got a rough one coming up. Stay on it. Stay on it.
I have never gone this fast.
Sorry, boss. Hi, Bill. I'm Matt. Nice to meet you.
Slow down if I want.
Okay, all right. Well, you guys okay? Big jump there with water. Big jump there with water.
Hello, how are you? I'm living on the moon. I'm calling from a telephone inside of a saloon. The only other person here left many years ago. And now I sit here at the bar, feeling so alone. I've read all of the books I had and walked the planet round, but still the thing I'm looking for refuses to be found, except this clanging deep regret. Oh, I am such a fool, a man who wanted quiet.
Everybody okay so far?
But now this precious solitude I once thought so sublime has changed my sense of what is real and what is in my mind. I think I hear the voices of my distant family, the laughter of my oldest friends, the years I haven't seen. I know that that's impossible, I tell myself each day, but no one stops those growing sounds, they will not go away. But no one comes here for me, which was my own cruel design. There's nothing left but dusty dreams and us why you went up there. It's very strange of you. Now we all know that you're the kind of person who must find the things that keep you up at night and occupy your mind. But tell me, do you think that you can do it all alone? The answer must be no, or else you wouldn't even fold. Why don't you come down to earth? You know that we miss you. It's been so long since you've been gone up there on the moon. 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 Up there on the moon.
Well, you got a running start.
Here you go. Well, too many tricks.
All right, Mr. Kelly, let's see what you got this year now.
Would you look at that? Roger Miller showed up for March Madness. All eyes on the hill now. You don't want to miss this.
Nice. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Damn, man.
You got it, baby. Number 56, Mr. March, international rider.
Fail, yeah.
Stevie would do that.
That was great. Let's take the time to hear. He's one of our buddies. Oh, he almost got a little cocky there, didn't he? Thanks.